In this video, we will be exploring XeroLinux, a Linux distribution based on Arch Linux. XeroLinux provides a fast and smooth experience right out of the box thanks to the various under-the-hood optimizations and tweaks. We will dive deeper into the features and capabilities of XeroLinux by examining both its pros and cons. Now, without further ado, let's get started. When you first log in into XeroLinux, you will be greeted with a welcome screen application that assists with post-installation tasks. This tool allows you to easily update the system, set up the fastest mirror, install NVIDIA drivers, and more. This feature is especially useful for beginners as it automates many of the processes and allows you to fully optimize Arch Linux. XeroLinux offers a fantastic pre-customized Plasma desktop experience. From the moment you begin exploring the interface, you will be impressed by its visually stunning design. The developers behind this project have done an excellent job of making Arch Linux more flexible and user-friendly by optimizing the Plasma desktop. One of the standard features of XeroLinux is the Latte dock located at the bottom of the screen, which allows you to organize all of your favorite applications in one place for easy access. The dock also includes a CPU widget that allows you to monitor the real-time usage of your system. The top panel of the interface is the home to a variety of useful widgets, including the global menu, applications menu, network usage, and more. Latte provides an elegant and intuitive experience for your task. It animates its content by using the parabolic zoom effect and tries to be there only when it's needed. XeroLinux comes pre-installed with a theme called Leon and a circle icon pack, which gives the Plasma desktop a sleek and modern look. The dark theme, in particular, looks fantastic on OLED panels and gives the interface a unique aesthetic. Additionally, the developers have made 4 ready-to-install themes available for manual installation. However, I did encounter a problem when attempting to change the theme. Now, changing the theme caused the entire customization to break and there was no way to restore it without manually redirecting the user interface. Now, this can be quite frustrating and also cause the UI to freeze and become unresponsive, requiring a forced reboot. To avoid this issue, it's recommended to stick with the default theme and avoid making any changes to it. So be careful when changing a theme as it may break the customization and cause the UI to freeze. The desktop effects can take the Plasma desktop experience to the next level. XeroLinux comes with many desktop effects that show fancy animations and transitions in different places of the user experience. For example, when you're working with 2 windows, the slide back animation kicks in when another window is raised. Now, one of the great things about XeroLinux is that it includes a lot of task switcher extensions. XeroLinux comes with a stunning set of wallpapers that are sure to impress. The variety of images included in the distribution range from natural landscapes to abstract patterns and modern designs. Now, these wallpapers are carefully curated to look fantastic on any screen, whether it be a high-resolution 4K monitor or a laptop display. The wallpapers are also optimized to be used with the pre-installed Layon theme, creating a cohesive and visually pleasing experience. XeroLinux comes pre-installed with a selection of useful and necessary applications that will allow you to start using the operating system right away. You can use the Pacman to easily install additional applications. In addition to the standard package management options, XeroLinux also comes with inbuilt support for R and Flatpak. Now, this provides users with even more flexibility in shaping their Linux system, giving them access to a wide range of software packages that are not available in the official repositories. The Arch user repository is a community-driven repository that contains scripts to build packages for Arch Linux. XeroLinux also supports the use of Flatpaks, a universal package format that allows you to install and run applications in a sandbox environment. When it comes to performance, I have noticed some minor issues on my older computer, which is 10 years old. While XeroLinux can handle running on older hardware, the customizations and pre-enabled desktop effects can make the Plasma experience feel heavy and slow. To improve performance, you can turn off some of the fancy desktop effects and focus on the core functionalities. It's also worth mentioning that installing the proper graphics drivers can greatly improve the graphical experience. Overall, I would recommend XeroLinux to those who are looking for a pre-customized Arch Linux distribution. It's designed to run smoothly on most modern hardware, except for some issues with the themes. However, if you're willing to put in some efforts to fine-tune the system, you will fall in love with this distribution. Now keep in mind, XeroLinux is not for new users and requires some polishing to make it one of the most beautiful Linux desktops on the market. And that's pretty much it. I hope you like this video. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching this video. This has been KSKRL. I will see you in the next one.